Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Cognition, Learning and the Social Cultural Context. It's a ETT second year book. It's a bestseller book of Vinod Publication. It's in Punjabi medium. This book is strictly according to the new syllabus prescribed by State Council of Educational Research and Training SCERT Punjab. This book is is a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. The cover of this book is very nice. So let's now quickly go and review this book. First of all, syllabus is mentioned unit wise: learning and behaviorism. These are the topics. Then unit 2 cognition, unit 3 play, then unit 4 self and moral development. We have to check out now contents and match it with syllabus. Unit 1 learning, concept of learning, process of children learning, behavioralism, basic ideas of behavioralism, till contribution of behavioralism in education. You can verify it with contents like unit 1 learning, concept of learning, process, behavioralism, till contribution of behavioralism in education. Unit 1 is completely clear. We have to check out now unit 2 cognition, constructivism, introduction to concept, features and characteristics of constructivism. So many things are completely there till retrieval forgetting. So unit 2 constructivism, introduction to the concept, features till retrieval and forgetting. Now unit 3, you have to check out unit 3 of contents. Meaning of play, characteristics of play. So many topics are given till how children learn to negotiate differences and resolve conflict. So let's check out verified with syllabus. Meaning of play, characteristics, pointer and types of play, till how children learn to negotiate differences and resolve conflict. Unit 3. Now let's check out unit 4 of contents and match it with syllabus. Sense of self, self-description, self-recognition, till implications for teaching learning process. Sense of self, self-description, self-recognition, till implication for teaching learning process. Completely there, everything is completely clear. Now in contents also things are given in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers to read it. Now we have to check out, contents is completely clear. It covered everything of syllabus. Now we have to check out the page numbers which are given, are they accurate or not. For example, if I go to page 107, well, whether I'll find games and group dynamics and introduction or not. Page number 107. So page number 107, group and games and group dynamics. So page numbers also very rightly mentioned. Inside the topics also the things are given very well. So many pages are given to each topic. Also topics are highlighted in both Punjabi and English language, so that even the readers who are comfortable in reading English language can buy this book and easily read it. In the back side of so this book, in the back side of the book, ETT books for first year and second year are also given. You can check them out of DLED. The price of the book is just 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon. You can buy it, or you can call them directly at 9218-219-218 and book will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com. You can also buy this book from any available bookstore nearby location at 229.50 rupees only. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube also and check out other publishing, check out other books of Vinod Publications. You can also, if you have any query, you can go to the email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, and if you have any complaint regarding any book or this book, you can go to the helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So 229.50 is the only price of the book. It's your choice. Buy it online from Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218-219-218 to buy it from any available bookstore nearby location. It's your choice. 229.50 for cognition, learning and the social cultural context. I highly recommend this book. It's a ETT second year Punjabi medium SCERT Punjab book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. It's a bestseller book also, so do not miss out on this opportunity. Must buy this book. It will definitely help you in exams. Thank you so much.